Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing the Christmas tree. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, today we are doing same color. We're going for our nice good. Oh, I picked this one from Very. It's nice pink brush. Is it pink? Yeah, that's a pink and that's the silver one. So, and these ones will be going on the tops of the tree like that. Bring the rest of them. So I did, to be honest, this year, guys, I did not buy more baubles or anything like that. The only thing I did is to pick up some few lighting.
Some of these.
Yeah, so. But you can get all of these from I saw some in B&M. Yeah, B&M has got some. So we are using more of the flowers this year. So let's get into this video. We still got our old ones everywhere. So let's put the baubles back on. As long as you keep them. Oh, my hair keep coming in my face. As long as you keep them back in the boxes, every year you can still go back and use them and they still look beautiful. So, how it goes, we are gonna put the expensive ones at the top. So Jaden does not break them. I was about to say Joe.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile. The feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle
outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
I really love these balls. They're so cute. I picked it up from, where did we pick it from, Joe? I think Home Sense. No. Yeah, Home Sense last year.
Yeah, I believe we put it up.
Yeah, last year.
Come join in our song. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry, Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming.
Oh, Jaden, do you want to put the star on it? Jaden, do you want to put the star on it? Yay! You're gonna stand here, and try and put it on. Oh, hey, put it on. Well done! Yay! Clap for Jaden. Clap for Jaden then. Do you wanna get down? Yay! Well done, Jaden. Ooh! Pew, pew. Okay, upstairs tree is done. We got the downstairs one to be, but I don't know if I can manage it today because it's getting late. So this is our lovely Christmas tree.